What's the crazy that is going on?
And I'ma need all of my dollars on corporate, so hand me the money, I divvy the pie. I'ma give all of my people a portion to build them a fortune on flipping the ride. I can't be mixy when iffy the vibe, and 40 on 50 is really the time. Why are you all on my phone like you want me, like you wasn't pushing the kid to the side?
Self-awareness is something that comes with time and confidence in self. Knowing who you are, and more importantly, who you aren't, is a very important trait to, I guess, take with you through life. I think the only thing that I can really say about self-awareness is when you start listening internally and block out all the noise, all of this right here, and start focusing on improving yourself versus like making yourself something more for someone else, you get a lot more confident and you get a lot more happier. Just finished the vlog. It's like 6:30. I'm going back to sleep for 30 minutes. Going to get some shoes for eating real quick. Got the wrong size. This should take just a couple minutes. Shoes, buddy. I love your shoes.
I found this on the web.
Web? I love it.
iPhone cinematography today. Oh, and it's podcast therapy right now. Quick heads up, this is going to be a fairly light one. Due to me needing to catch up on sleep, but I do think the information in this is very good. I'm focusing a lot on using your iPhone today and how this guy really like helps in between big camera, small camera. I guess this would make more sense. Big camera, small camera, right? If that was, anyways. Switching over to the phone, so camera quality and audio is going to be not as good, but stick with me. This is all camera technique today. I hope you enjoy. Okay, here's what we're working with. We're working with one big camera, one small phone. What I want to talk about today is how to shoot with two cameras at once and also capture really nice shots. So this has a 24mm on it right now. I'm actually going to change it out to a 50mm. Okay, so first things first is you're going to make sure that your camera, I'm going to show you how to do this real quick. Okay, from the lock screen, it's literally a swipe over, you get to the camera, and then you turn it, and these top buttons right here, you press record and it starts recording. You see how it's recording right there? Stop, you press the volume button up here again. All you need to know now is, for as far as this, is to always keep it in your left hand, right? Recording, not recording. Recording, not recording. You just kind of, it's a 4-finger grip, thumb at the bottom. Recording, not recording. Now, the big camera, this works when you're in the store, this works wherever. This has a tighter lens on it. So I'm going to show real quick a difference between this and this. You're getting nice, beautiful close-ups of different things. I'm just going to kind of point at a couple of different things. And then I can get a wide with that. Now, for a camera technique, I usually just push in. But if I'm doing this, I don't have that bottom base, that bottom kind of vibe. So typically it's one of those, I'm using my muscle right here to control the push or control the over. And then this guy can be low, just capturing, you know, while I do something like click, then click, click, then click. And that's how you can get wide and very nice bokeh all at the same time without having to swap out lenses every single time. I can only imagine what the person next to me is thinking. There's someone like looking at me like, what the hell is this guy doing? But this is pretty much, I'm gonna switch over to this camera real quick so that I can finish this one the proper way. But, ow, see the difference in quality? Anyways, that's how you do that with your phone and a big camera. Should you do this all the time? Definitely not, but it is a way, if you're in that mode and you have both of your hands, a lot of times you don't have both of your hands, so technically you can do to just get very diverse shots and keep the movement going. I did this yesterday in Walmart, I did this in the hospital, yeah. And then the last thing I want to kind of mention, I've mentioned this before, is use your big giant camera when it doesn't feel awkward, and then use your tiny small camera any other time, and that footage will merge together and it'll still look good. Hope you enjoyed this Tuesday tactics. Tactical Tuesday? Maybe? Tactical Tuesday? All right, we got one. All right, catch you guys in the next one. Bye.